There's a saying, illness starts in the mouth. Did you know that gum disease is a whole body infection? When you have infected gums, the pathogen, whether it's a bacteria, fungus, or a parasite, goes through the attachment between the gums and the teeth and goes straight into your bloodstream. And you end up with things like arthritis, like subacute bacterial endocarditis, which is an infection of the heart valve in your heart. And it toxifies the entire body if you have some toxins in your mouth too. So there's a story. Steve, a pilot, came to me as a friend and said, I want a second opinion. His dentist wanted to do a root canal on a wisdom tooth. My suggestion was, don't do it. Wisdom tooth is not necessary for your bite, and your gums are infected. Get the gum infection cleared up and remove the tooth. He didn't come back, so I didn't know what happened. 2 years later, he calls from the hospital and says, you were right. What was I right about? He ended up with open heart surgery to repair a mitral valve that had gotten infected, and he was near death. This is something that happens all the time, but we don't think about it as coming from our mouth. So before you have your cleaning done, think, if you have a gum infection, that infection is going to be spread by the dental cleaning into your body. So get rid of the infection first. Secondly, root canals are another issue that I have a high horse about. When you do a root canal, you kill the tooth. A dead tooth is going to block the meridian that tooth is on. And we'll talk about acupuncture meridians another time. But when you block the meridian, things on that meridian can go south. One example, I have not seen one case of breast cancer that has not had a root canal, a toxic filling, or an infection like a cavitation on that side, on that meridian. That's huge. So there are many things that cause problems, toxins, infections, a bad bite. Those are things that dentists sometimes don't know enough about, and that's when a wellness consultant who has a background in dentistry is very helpful for you.